Hey everyone, I hope everyone had a wonderful and happy Halloween. I know that I did. So after a nice and relaxing day, I am proud to be able to do a review from Clairol Professional. So just a little heads up, about a week ago I went to Sally Beauty Supply. It's a great store for those of you that have not been. You can get professional color there, really good brands, and not have to worry about shelling out all the money that you would for a box of hair color. So I walk in there and I notice a new display. It had all these really interesting looking boxes, and I think to myself, oh my gosh, is Sally selling box hair color? So I went up and the person explained that they now have Clairol and they have another brand there. These are professional color kits that just make it easier for you, the consumer, to color your hair at home. It's got all the basic stuff that a box of color has. You get in the Clairol one 2 packets of conditioner, which I think is awesome because you have more than enough. If you have long hair, you'll need the whole thing. If you have short or medium hair, you have extra conditioner to use later. You have your developer, you have your tube of color cream, you have your instructions, which are very easy to read, and they are colored, which I like. It's not that giant sheet that's all in gray and it's like huge. And you have 2 pairs of gloves, which I thought was amazing. So let me see if I can get these out of the packet. They are, though, unfortunately, the plastic sheet gloves, which I wasn't too impressed with. I thought they would use like high quality gloves. Package design I thought was very nice overall. I like how it's eye-catching. This is a 5R medium red. This definitely looks like a true hue of red. It looks like a nice autumny color, maybe even wintry because it looks cooler toned. And on the back it shows you a swatch, so I like that. I like how it doesn't show a model that has like an unrealistic looking hair color. It just shows you the idea of the shade you're getting. I think this line, because I asked, it only had 1 red shade and this was it. And because it was a level 5, which is a medium red, I decided to use it. So I also thought too that it looked like, I reviewed a previous Clairol product. I don't know which one it was, but it was like one of their demis, and it looks identical. Because even though it says 5R, this definitely looks like it has more intense red pigment to it. It looks like a true red, and not like a kind of red that's gonna be too brown or too drab and boring. I like how it also has all the instructions in the back. It tells you how to prep the mixture, tells you how to apply it. I actually like this because it doesn't fill up the box with like junky information. This is information in case you lose your packet or you don't like to read instructions. You can tell everything right back here on how to use this product. Very easy to use. It says that it covers gray, but I would say that, oh, here we go. It says that ash and the red shades are not suitable for 100% gray coverage. So if you are looking to cover gray, this will not color gray hair. In fact, this will probably make your hair a pinky or overly vibrant red. From my own professional knowledge being a hairdresser, I will say that if you have, and 25 is being generous, 25 to 20% gray, you can use this product, but just know that the gray is gonna take really well and it's gonna be overly vibrant. So if you want like a highlighted effect, you can do that. But if you have 50% and above gray, don't use this product, or you would have to mix it with the neutral. These shades are intermixable, and that's what I like. And I like how it tells you how to even how to wash it. So you can shampoo, and then it tells you how to use a conditioner. So all the instructions are right back here on the back of the box. So you can get closer for you guys. That's your swatch of shades. If you have highlighted hair, it's going to be a lot lighter than this. The instructions are very simple. It tells you how to do it on retouch, which I'm going to be doing. All you have to do is mix A into B, apply all over your roots, leave it on for, this says 20 to 30 minutes. I myself am going to do 40 minutes, and then it says to use the additional 5 minutes to process on your mid shaft and ends. I'm going to do 40 minutes on my roots and then 5 minutes on the rest. And then I'm going to wash my hair, so I'm going to rinse it for about 5 minutes, shampoo, condition, and that is it. I'm going to probably just show myself mixing this only because you guys have seen me apply color, and there is a great YouTube video from Clairol Professional that will show you how to do this. And then I'll hopefully wrap up the review. I am trying to make my video shorter. I know I can kind of get into the review, so I'm trying to keep it condensed and get the general points. But I'm just so excited on this because this is the first product that I've ever seen that has professional color in a box. All right, everyone, so this is my hair before. It has been well over a month since I last colored. I have about 1 inch of regrowth. I like the color how it faded. If you watch my previous video, you'll know what color I used. I'll also put it in the comment box. But I am impressed, well over 10 washes, the red was still decently vibrant. So I'm just gonna do a touch up here and then just gently feather out the color. I just want a touch up color with something to refresh this just a little bit. So I'll give you one last look. Great, and to mix the color, all you have to do is take this, take your tube A. It's a puncture tube, so take your cap, puncture it, and I think this has ammonia, but it doesn't smell too bad. And I use a color key, so I'm just gonna put this in here. Oh yeah, that does have ammonia. It doesn't smell too bad though, it kind of smells floral, which is odd. And if you can see, the color kind of looks red in there, so this definitely is going to be an intense red. And give the bottle a good shake for a few seconds. Also, do your patch test if you've never colored your hair before. And if you can see, this looks kind of purple. So then you can just start applying your color. If you're gonna apply your to your hair without clips, I'll show you how I apply it. Just brush through it and I outline, and then I go through each section. All right, so to apply, I just take this, I go like that. I'm gonna separate it and go like there. And that's pretty simple, so just do that here, and then I apply in the back and I apply in the front. Watch the Clairol video on YouTube, it's very foolproof if you watched it with them. There's so many different ways to apply this. This color is a little loose, so I don't think you can apply it with a brush and bowl. You could try, but it might be messy. And you can intermix shades, so measure it out before you do so, and feel free to contact Clairol because they are very helpful. And I will be back when this is all finished. All right, so this is what it looks like when the color is on. It has a very intense purple base, so this is a cooler toned red. It doesn't hurt, doesn't tingle, and the odor is very low, so I like that. All right, everyone, I have the color on. There is no burning, there is a very low odor. It actually kind of smells like a slight hint of ammonia, but it's an odd, earthy, fruity smell. It's not the best and it's not the worst, and it is really nice and intensely red. So 5 minutes and then shampoo. You need to shampoo your hair after you rinse. Shampoo it and then use the conditioner. Pretty vibrant out in bright light. It's windy though. All right, everyone, I am back and I am very impressed after using the Clairol Professionals Pro Color Kit Medium Red 5R. As you can see, especially out in bright light, it is red. This is a true red with no brown added to it. It's very vibrant, very shiny, cooler toned, and really vibrant. It looks healthy and my hair feels very healthy. So I just wanted to talk about some of the pros and cons of this. I didn't know this, but Clairol is now owned by Wella, so that explains why they have some of the vibrant shades now, as opposed to being very natural and very kind of matte. So this is an intense red, and I like that because it is cheap. You can get this box. That's another pro, is that it's really inexpensive. $8.99 for a color kit that has professional color, developer, 2 pairs of gloves, and 2 packets of conditioner with very easy instructions. Again, the package is really nice. As one of the pros, it looks very professional. It gives you a realistic result. If you can see, that looks very accurate. It shows you on the back of the swatch. Mine is kind of a mix of these two. Where I have highlights, it shows up more red, but as a whole, it is very vibrant, which is unusual for Clairol. I mentioned before the instructions are on the back, which I really like because instead of focusing on adding in all this extra information that you don't need to know, they focus on just what you need to know on how to use this. It tells you how to use it for never colored hair, and it tells you how to use it for a root touch-up. Gives you steps 1 through 3. It tells you on the back what's in here, so I like that. I like how it's very easy to maneuver. The actual instructions themselves were very helpful. It wasn't like this giant packet of paper. It was exactly what you needed to know, with extra tips that help. There are no unrealistic expectations with this, so you will get a very nice red. Unless you have previously colored hair, that's a different story. It is very close to the shade on here. Try to get another shot in here again. This is near identical. It is a low odor, so don't expect to have to put on all the air conditioning. It does have an ammonia smell to it, but it's not very strong where it's like, oh my god, it smells chemical-like. It has like an earthier floral smell that kind of masks it. And they give you extra conditioner, so I really like that, how you can have 2 packets, so if you have long or thick hair like me, you can use both. And it really does a good job at conditioning. So some of the cons, if you have long hair or really, really thick hair, you may need 2 boxes. I felt that I was great with just 1 because I can actually easily maneuver it through and rub it in. So if you have longer hair than mine, I'd say like much longer, get 2 boxes just in case. But 1 is usually enough because you're really focusing more on the roots. And not really a con per se, but if they were to make a demi color, like a box that will go along with the demi, I think that would be a really great idea. Something that will kind of complement this brand. The other thing is, I think that this brand should actually include a shampoo, because if they want you to shampoo your hair, they could add a little packet in there, something that makes it easier for the consumer. I also think that their gloves are not really effective. I used the gloves and I was fine, however they both tore on me, so I think that they should include a higher quality glove. And the other thing is that the brand should include a wider variety of shades. I think it's great they actually included a red shade that is vibrant and true to tone, but I think they should include a wider range, like a red violet or maybe like a violet red, something that is like different but still pretty cool and intense so they can market to a younger generation. So overall, I am highly impressed with Clairol's Pro Color Kit. It really shows a good quality product for only $8.99. At Sally Beauty Supply, and if you are a professional, you'll get an added discount. If you look up close, it covered everything really well, which I've never had from a box color. My regrowth has been lifted really well. This is a really good lifting color. It looks even from root to tip. You can see up there. Where you have highlighted hair, it will show lighter, obviously, and that was under here, so I actually like the shade. But even on dark hair, it looks just as vibrant. So if you have dark hair, this is a great color for you. If you want a color that is really red but not like over the top red, this is a great shade. I wish they had a more vibrant one, but in my honest opinion, I think that this is more of like an intense red, like a 5RR, because I've used 5R before and I've never gotten vibrant results like this. So this is shiny looking color. It will make your hair look healthier. I would definitely rate this color a 5 out of 5 because for a brand that has professional color over the counter that is not good, it actually made an even better product that you can get at a professional store and a fraction of the cost of what you pay over the counter, and something that will actually look intense and vibrant. So Clairol Pro Kit, great color. As you've seen before, it looks great in bright lighting and out in sunlight. 5 out of 5. Try this, you will not be disappointed. I want to know from my viewers down below if you have tried this product. It is a brand new product, just came out in the last few months. Let me know if you try it in the comment boxes down below. So have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful November. Like, comment, subscribe.